Hey, last week we shenaned. We did stuff with fluid art techniques and bloom recipe, and it was so much fun. I had the best time. So you know what? This week we're gonna shenan again. Okay, this week for our colors, this might get a little bit wild. For our pillow, we're going to be using the scrapings from last time, and if I need to, I have some of this Concord Grape standing by. For our colors, this is where it might get a little western. I'm not sure. This is a 12-inch flipping cradled wood panel. Not sure where it came from. This might have been from Fluid Art Co. It might have been from somewhere else. I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So our pillow, as I said, is recycled. Now we're gonna layer our cup. Now comes controversial shenanigans again part. We are going to do, or we're going to attempt to do some sort of galaxy-like pour here. Here's our cup. So let's just get on it. I'm helping my fingerlings a little due to said thickness. Now, you can call that cheating if you want. Boy, I missed the middle good. Real good. Now, not only am I doing a galaxy pour, but I had somebody comment to me once that it wasn't a real straight pour because it has a ring pour in the middle. So, you know, whatever. You do you, kid. Okay, woo! Well, we ended up with a little better ending. The problem with these is they're just so thick, they just kind of hang at the end. And that's okay. We'll just fudge it a little. It's alright. But now I gotta move it over because we are way off center. Now I need to hurry up and move this because I started off backwards and didn't layer my cup until after I had already put on my pillow, which was kind of dumb. That's okay. I've been kind of dumb a time or two before. I've lived through every time. You know what? I am gonna just lately, you guys, calm down. There we go. Like I said, lately. It's okay. We're gonna have lots of little bubble pops. That's okay. They're looking kind of cute from here. From here. Just to further F things up. Okay, good enough. Stop. Now, I have some CA here that I just really want to play with a little bit. So, I have my lamp black, titanium white, Amsterdam, same old, you know, same stuff. I have this little skinny palette knife. I got this little fatter palette knife, and they're both pretty small. So, I'm just gonna put a little black on here. Alright. I'm gonna find me a likely place here. And I'm just gonna kinda do one of those. That's kind of tricky with this skinny palette knife. Then I'm gonna do it from this side. And then I'm gonna take this little fat dude. Take a little fat dude and some white. I'm gonna go right here, somehow or another. Little palette knives are seriously they like to do weird stuff. There's not much surface area. I'm probably going to end up rolling all this off. Do just want to go right in through here. Okay, and now we're gonna span. Just stretching this up a little. And spin. I don't know, I think it's kind of cool. It's very different. That there was some Olympic level spinning. And I'm done. I'm done spinning. I think this piece of plastic is done. I think we're all done here. So let me clean this up just a little bit. We'll come in and then I'll see you again when it's dry after we get done looking at it wet. Okay, that last spin might have been kind of one bridge too far, but I still think it's pretty cool. An interesting thing. Our cloud mix didn't do much in the way of clouds, but that's okay. It's an experiment. Not supposed to work out perfect the first time. Now, if I would have done this all with acrylics, you know, the acrylic pouring recipes instead of the bloom recipe, I probably would have gotten clouds. I've got some cloudish looking stuff, but yeah. So I don't know what y'all think, but I think it's kind of cool, interesting, lots of stuff going on. I'd like to show you the whole thing at once, but it's on a mess. Oh well, there's the whole thing at once. Disregard the mess. All right, so let's go see about some sparklies. Okay. Oh yes, we definitely have a goodly number, look at that, of sparklies. We did get some interesting effects with our CA. That was just a shot, man. I think it's cool though. It was just a shot to see, you know, how much would it happen, what happens when you spin on this sort of technique. I think it's pretty cool. I'm sure that people are going to say, oh, the colors, blah, blah, blah. Oh, look at that stuck-up pig shine, baby. What? Well. That's that liquid mirror working with it in the middle there. You know, why did you put red and yellow? Well, because I had them. And I thought it might look cool, and I kind of think it does. If you don't like it, that's okay. You don't have to buy it. Okay? Okay. So, what a mean lady. So, I'll see y'all when it's dry. Okay, here are the dry results of my Galaxy Swipe Bloom Fluid Art pour. One thing I will say for sure is that liquid mirror does not play games. It shows up and shows out. I think this is cool. It was a great experiment, and if I was gonna do it again, as I am moving my cup back and forth to make the fingerlings as I pour, I would definitely go in shorter strokes. What else? I would make my swipes closer to the center, as where they did show up, they're really nice. But I made them a little close to the outside, so most of them sort of went off into the future, which is okay. These are important things to know. I generally do not do round canvases, and I generally do not do spinning pours, but look at the shine on this baby, and look at that stuck-up pig showing up. Man, oh man, this is just really an interesting pour. What do you think? I think it's really cool. And, you know, they may not be your choice of colors, and that's okay, but I was sort of using what I had, and I don't dislike them together. But that's just really, man, that liquid mirror. Woo, baby. Thank you, fairy godmother, for so many things. But I think it's cool. What do you think? Do let me know. And hey, before you go, make sure and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up and a comment. I'll get back to you. I always do. And to those of you that already do, love you much. See you next time.